So, what does plugging teeth mean? When dentists say your teeth need to be plugged, they usually mean that a filling is required. This happens when there is a cavity, also known as tooth decay, that has created a hole or a soft spot in your enamel. If left untreated, that cavity can grow deeper and cause serious pain or even infection. Now, why is it so important? You might think, but it doesn't hurt me. That's exactly the problem. Most cavities don't cause pain until it's too late. By plugging or filling the tooth early, your dentist stops the decay and saves your tooth structure, and prevents the need for more expensive treatments like root canals or extractions later on. Now, what are the benefits of early fillings? Here's what a filling does. First of all, it seals off the cavity from bacteria. Also, it restores the natural shape and function of the tooth. It stops the decay from spreading, and also, the most importantly, it saves your tooth. At Lima Dental Clinic, we use advanced materials and digital tools for pain-free and long-lasting results. Getting a tooth plugged might sound scary, but it's actually one of the easiest and most important things you can do for your oral health. Don't wait for the pain to start. Listen to your dentist and take action early. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lima Dental Clinic, and drop your questions below. See you next time with a healthier smile.